for genocide in our region. You have blood on your hands. All of Microsoft has blood on its hands. How dare you all celebrate when Microsoft is killing children? Shame on you all. Shame
Thank
on
you.
Stop using our
We cannot be celebrating while people in Palestine are getting murdered thanks to Microsoft support. They could come after me, but I think the fear of that retaliation does not counter the fear of working on technology that bombs innocents. Like for me, my biggest fear is waking up from my 9 to 5 and realizing that my code might be killing children today. So that's the concern that was more prevalent for me, and that's why I spoke despite knowing there might be consequences like that. Yeah, the fear of contributing to the genocide in Gaza is greater for me. I'm more worried about Microsoft's complicity in genocide, honestly. Nothing is about that is the limit. Knowing that our code is contributing to bombing and surveillance and targeting of innocents, that's my biggest concern right now over any personal repercussions. Yeah.